Okay, I just got my heater. I'm excited. It's an electric heater. My other one is gas. I'm fixing to change it out. It's 58,000 BTUs, which I sent them. This was easy to order. I told them the gallons of my pool, in-ground pool. I told them the zone I lived in, which is West Texas. And they sized it for me and sent it. They said it's easy installation. I was reading the directions. It looks like it's super easy. There's my inlet, my outlet, and I just wire it directly to 220, which I've already got 220 there because most gas heaters have their igniter's 220 also. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna check the voltage and wire it in, and we'll see how it goes. I'll give you some intermittent videos and see you in a minute. What you think?
Okay, here we have our setup where we're gonna install. You can see all the other equipment. We're about to cut all this loose, replace it, and get things moving so we can get to swimming.
Okay, I've got my heater set up to where I want it, got it unboxed. Read all the directions. I unhooked my old heater. It looks like it's going to be a pretty simple exchange, I guess, if you will, with this new heater. Super excited about it. It's sleek looking. It's got it's compatible with my phone. I'm very excited about that. I can turn it on and off of my phone if my pool is running, which is good. All I did was I unhooked my old heater here. I've got the pipes right there that I just screw in. So like I said, it's pretty simple. I'm going to do this first with my pipes, glue them in. I've got the bypasses and everything else just like I had on my old heater. So I'm going to glue those in, and then I'm going to show you the electrical on the next video. So let's get started. I've got my pipes already primed.
Is this glue?
Yes, it is. Gluing, I've already primed. I've got the pre-cut. Actually, I didn't have to cut much because my old unit fit just nearly perfect. Okay, let that glue set for just a second. Sets pretty fast. And then it's got these couplings on here that go on just pretty simple. And they're just screw on.
Stop for a sec.
clean. Keep that in a bind a little bit. Okay, that ought to be all for the plumbing aspect of it. Now I'm going to go to the electrical, and I'll pause it just for a minute while I get my tools. Okay, for the electrical side, just unscrew this bottom screw. Take off the top part of this panel, or take off the cover hole, which I've turned the power off. Make sure you do that, very important. Shop. And now I've run here's my electrical cord. I run it here through my conduit, right here to this breaker. And I'm going to get the white wire, stick it in there, tighten it down. I'm going to get the black wire, just 2 wires, because it's grounded over there. Tighten that down. I'll get my cover. Stick it back in. Pops into place. Get my screw tightened back. Turn my power on. See what it does. Okay, camera woman, come over here. And I've got power to my unit. Now, I'm going to turn the water on, get the water running through it, and give you another video of turning it, getting heat going.